Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me, Zawad. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Dodge Journey. And we have an airbag light that relates to the seatbelt buckle guys. Okay, seatbelt buckle does not work, does not detect it. And we'll show you guys how to fix that, what needs to be done and all that stuff. We'll scan the system now guys, explain what is causing that. We have the computer ready here. All the tools and parts guys that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So this is Maxicom, amazing tool that works not just on Dodge, it works on any vehicle. We have guys more than 200 videos on a Dodge Journey, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. Now I'm going to turn the ignition on, okay, and let's start the car. I'm going to show you how the airbag light is on. Okay, you can see it just stays on all the time, doesn't turn off. So what we'll do, we'll turn the ignition on, where we have the lights on, but the engine is not running. Then we're going to scan the system quick. Okay, and check out how many makes you can fix with that stuff. It's amazing. You can read and delete codes from almost every computer in your vehicle. So by clicking auto detect, it's going to tell us what kind of vehicle we have based on the VIN number. That way you will not select wrong. Okay, 2012 Dodge Journey. It just takes a couple seconds to establish communication with the car. We click diagnostic, control unit, airbag will be under body. And next all we have to do, click read codes. Perfect, and this is the code that we have, B1B55. Okay, you can see this is guys the code. First row, passenger seat belt sensor circuit high. Okay, what that means guys, active means that the problem, okay, we still have the problem as of right now. If it was fixed, it will say stored, okay, that it's stored in the computer, but it's not there right now. So this is it guys, we're talking about the buckle sensor, okay, right here, the one that detects if the seat belt is installed or if it's not. Now what do we do guys, every time you work on the airbag system you have to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before the repair, and if you're not qualified to work on airbags I wouldn't recommend to do it, so consider this as a more like entertaining video, not a how-to video. So we'll disconnect our car battery for 1 hour and we'll continue with the next step. So we have the seat disconnected guys, we have a video how to replace the seat belt buckle pretensioner, but let me show you now. Underneath you have wires that are for the pretensioner, okay, that you need to inspect. Okay, this wire right there, connect and disconnect that one a couple times. It could be moisture or dust that got there, okay, and as a result the light is, the sensor is not working. So we'll connect this one. Also here you have one more connector, okay, that white one, okay, is the one for the seatbelt pretensioner and the one for the seatbelt buckle, so always inspect the pins there as well. If that doesn't fix the problem guys, okay, we have a video how to remove and how to replace the seatbelt buckle, which is not very complicated procedure guys. It's on the channel, it takes only like a few minutes to remove the seat and replace that thing. Check out the video if you need to. We have a video guys to show you how to test them as well, so we're going to connect, okay, the wires now, and after we move the connectors a little bit, clean everything, okay, we're going to connect the battery and see if that fixes the problem. So with the battery being connected, we're going to go back. Now we'll click erase codes, engine off, ignition on, yes. And now if I go to read the codes, check out what's happening, no fault codes detected. So if we start the car, we shouldn't have the airbag light on. Perfect. So if you have that airbag light guys, it means you have either a bad connection, bad connector, bad wire, or a bad seat belt buckle that you need to replace. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.